Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to protect your posts on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. If you want more control over who sees your posts, this update will help you lock down your profile in just a few simple steps. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture to open the main menu. From here, you'll notice an option labeled Settings and Support. Go ahead and tap on that, then choose Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the section called Privacy and Safety. This area is where you can adjust everything related to your visibility, audience, and interactions on the platform. Next, tap on Audience and Tagging. This is where X allows you to decide who gets to see your posts and whether others can tag you in theirs. Under the Audience section, you'll see an option labeled Protect Your Posts. To lock down your posts, simply toggle on the switch next to Protect Your Posts. Once it's turned on, only people who follow you and are approved by you will be able to see what you share. Anyone who doesn't follow you will need to send a follow request that you can approve or deny. This setting also keeps search results and retweets from exposing your content to a wider audience. And that's it, your posts are now protected on X. This gives you more privacy and peace of mind, especially if you want to share content only with people you trust. Before finishing, remember to check your settings every so often, since X occasionally updates how privacy options work. Staying updated ensures you always have the control you want over your online presence. Thanks for watching.